Alright guys, so we got the budget pan off of eBay. So today we're going to be throwing it on the motor. It's basically like the same as the Holly one. It's really fucking nice actually. So if you're going to get one and you're on a budget, I definitely get this one. I'm going to get one for my truck. Does this the one have the ports for the turbo?
Yeah,
so it's cool too because it has 2 ports on it for when you go turbo for your oil drain. So you're kind of set up for everything already. So yeah, we finally got the engine off the transmission, and now we're gonna flip this bitch over and get started on the install. Motor's flipped over. Time to do these bolts and get this nasty ass oil pan out of here. And put the nice bitch in eBay one on. So let's pull this shit apart, Rob.
Did you make that?
Alright, so all the bolts are out this thing. So should be able to pull this sucker off. Alright, can you get the box? So. Oh fuck, wait, where's it getting caught right here?
The fucking wires, bro.
What wires?
From the front.
No, it's getting stuck right here.
Oh, you want to keep these on?
No, those are gotta come off too.
Yeah, I'm saying, why don't you just detach them?
What's up? Because it's all gonna come off together.
Yeah, okay. I know, but... Grab it.
Alright, maybe go put this in the back of the Nova or something. It's off. Looks really oily in here, like we didn't wait long enough, but we're trying to get this done ASAP so I can get this motor in this weekend. So now we gotta take off the old pickup tube and take off all the bolts of the wind tray. So let's do that real quick. You have somewhere we can put these inside of? Like a... Oh look, I'm an engine builder. Oh yeah. Okay. Alright, so what do we have to do after this? We just pull this off, right?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Did you grab both of them?
Yeah. Well, there's only one in there.
I just don't know why it's not coming out.
Oh, where's it? There you go. Alright. Put that shit outside with the other shit so
Yeah.
it's not. Pickup tube out. I guess now we gotta try the new pickup tube to see where we have to cut this thing. Rafa was just telling me that you have to cut the whole like front off of it, but I'm not sure exactly if you do for clearance. So I thought you just had to notch this little section. So we'll find out right now. But not too hard. Pretty easy. If you don't just drop oil everywhere like we did. So where did we have to cut? So you
It's
cut
on this side. You gotta cut across, straight across here, and then notch it right here.
Okay, now, but where's the oil tube at? Where's the tube at? So new pickup tube. Where do you have to cut, bro? Here. Where do you have to notch? I don't see where you have to notch.
Well, that's what they said in the video. They said to notch it all the way up to here.
Maybe it's hitting right there.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what else? Oh, this is what we're talking about on this eBay pan. People say you have to trim right here, but we don't see why we have to. It doesn't seem to be like a clearance issue. So we're gonna bolt it down and come back to you just to make sure. But maybe we don't have to. We definitely don't have to cut right there though, huh?
No.
So it was just trimming right here, huh?
Yeah, and then there's supposed to be a notch right here, I guess, for this.
Because it kinks down.
But,
so you would have to just cut across there and that's it?
Yeah. And then, yeah, they want you to cut here and then notch it, like, in this section right
Oh, okay.
But, I mean, it...
Looks like it fits, right?
Yeah, it looks like it's spaced properly and everything.
Well, don't worry about that, Ralph. Don't. That's fine. We just got to put these 2 bolts in. They should have came with new hardware.
Oh yeah, you're right.
So we'll be right back. Okay, update. It actually doesn't seat, so you need to cut this, and we're gonna try to keep that little hole right there, like the guy did. So we'll come back after we trace this thing up and get her to fit right.
Wish us luck.
Could be worse, Rob. We could have dropped the bolt in there, but we're not done yet.
Right. We'll wait until we're done.
Yeah.
No promises.
Okay, so we were totally wrong. We had to notch the shit out of it to get it to fit, so fuck us, right?
Take time.
So
Let me over and call me Sally.
so we got everything all kind of installed.
Kind of.
Now I guess we'll just install everything and torque everything up and then throw the new oil pan on and we should be all good now. You ready to be over with this or what?
I am.
Dude, we thought we were gonna take, how long were we gonna take? Like 2 hours?
30 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, after we cut everything off, it said 30 minutes, but it takes a lot longer than that.
Yeah. What time is it now?
It's 11.
And we started at 6:30?
Yeah. 6:45. It's a fucking nightmare on bro.
So
One thing after another, we can't catch a fucking break.
I know, it's like 4 L's and then 1 W. But once the oil pan's on, it'll be worth it, right?
I hope so. You want to take it off, put it on, and then screw it in? Why not?
It's in there now. It's in.
No, we can pop it off.
No, we can't. It's in.
Well, I swear to God, bro, if you drop this fucking bolt. Will.
Yeah. There's no other way.
Yes, there is. I just explained it.
That's the bitch way. I dropped
You're
it.
paying for that shit, bro.
I dropped it.
No, you wouldn't, because you'd be crying right now because you're buying for my fucking engine. Got the look of the Irish.
Who you calling daddy, bitch? Because I put it in.
Hey, I'm just saying.
Who you calling daddy, bitch?
You're fucking
calling me daddy, bitch. Say it.
Your truck depending on that shit, bro. If not, you're buying me a whole new ass new one. That fucking cab ain't going on for
Bro,
nothing.
bro. That's even better. Alright. So we got it in. We're gonna torque everything down, but we'll save you the boring stuff. What do you torque them down to? 18, right?
18 pounds.
And then the inside ones are 25 or some shit like that?
I don't remember.
Okay, well something like that.
Something.
So we'll come back tomorrow though and we'll put this thing back together. We'll put the new motor mounts on and we'll put the transmission back on and get ready to be putting this thing back into the Nova this weekend.
Hopefully.
Alright guys, it's the next day. I feel like shit, so I didn't record much, but we didn't really do much. All we did was put the motor mounts on the motor. The oil pan's all good, and then we put the motor mounts on the Nova. So, only thing that's left is put this together, which we'll do probably off video, and then stab this thing into Nova, hopefully tomorrow, hard off.
Hopefully.
So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All the videos on the Nova, really. This thing's getting a lot of progress, and hopefully we have this thing like started by February. That's the goal, because we're trying to make it to what? Is it LS Fest?
Yeah, LS Fest.
Something like that, but we'll see. So hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, and Dino's Get Down next week, so subscribe because you're not going to want to miss that.